If you bought a comprehensive insurance from an underwriter, or even in future if you buy a comprehensive insurance of your motor vehicle from an underwriter, it means there's a promise they are going to give you, or there's a promise they have given you, that in case something happened like a road accident, the vehicle is stolen, or the vehicle get burnt, they are going to compensate you. And once you have that promise, it means you'll have peace of mind. You'll not have any worry that if anything happens, you're going to go into your pocket and pay for that damages. And that is why today we want to dive into this issue of keeping the promise, the insurance company keeping their promise. And if your vehicle gets an accident or your vehicle gets burnt, what is the process that you are supposed to follow so that you can be compensated and your financial position is taken back to where it was before? So if you are a new member to this channel, if you are meeting us for the first time, consider subscribing. Here we discuss ways of wealth protection and money matters. So welcome, subscribe, join on our class, and listen how you can go about protecting your investment, your income, and any wealth that you have acquired. Now let us dive into the process of launching a motor claim. The first thing you need to do is to take photos. If an accident occurred in a situation where you are able to take photos, make sure you take photos of the scene, how it has happened, and the vehicles that are involved. Step 2, call your agent or your insurance intermediary. The next step, call police or go to the nearest police station and report the matter. Obtain police abstract and inspection report where applicable, in that if there were some injuries in that accident, you are supposed to get an inspection report. Then remember also, before the vehicle is taken to the police station, your agent should be able to advise or call the breakdown services to come and tow your vehicle to the police station and tow your vehicle back to the garage. And remember, there are some limits that are there that you can utilize for towing services, and especially for the private vehicle, usually 30,000 or 50,000, depending on the contract that you signed or the benefit that the underwriter is giving you. So utilize that benefit and pay that breakdown service, and then have a receipt. You are supposed to present it when you are presenting your claims document. So you will be reimbursed that breakdown fee when your claim will be paid. After you've obtained police abstract, inspection report, and the towing receipt, make sure you go to the underwriter to fill the claim form. And the documents that you are supposed to have when you're filling claims forms are driving license, valid driving license. You need an ID of the driver. You need a logbook that has the name of the insured. So make sure you have those ones, and allow your agent also to help you understand those questions so that you can fill them well. Because once it is realized that there was some issue behind that accident or something fishy on that accident, the company will appoint an investigation. So if investigation is done and it's found that it's not worth being compensated, the claim will be declined and you'll be given a letter to show that your claim cannot be paid. But if the claim is accepted through your claim form, the company now will appoint an independent assessor to come and assess the extent of the damage of your vehicle and advise the company how the vehicle can be repaired and at what cost and in what duration of time. Once the report is ready from the independent assessor, the internal assessor of the underwriter will look at the report and share with the garage, reconcile, and then a repair authority will be given to the garage and your vehicle will be repaired. And again, once the repair is complete, once the garage has completed repairing your vehicle, the independent assessor will be sent back to the garage to reassess the vehicle to confirm if the vehicle was repaired according to the report he gave. So after that, you will be required to pick your vehicle. So the company, the underwriter, will give you a release letter to take your vehicle from the garage. remember again that before you pick your vehicle from the garage, you are supposed to have cleared your excess fee. So if you had not taken an excess fee cover when you are taking your policy at the beginning, when you are signing the contract of comprehensive, it means you're going to pay, if it is a private, you're going to pay 2.5% of your vehicle as an excess fee, or if it was a commercial, you will pay 5%, PSV is 10%. Now, depending with which company you're dealing with, if you didn't have that excess cover, you're going to pay that much, and then you pick your vehicle. Now, assuming this vehicle was write-off, maybe from the report of the assessor, maybe the repair cost was above 50% of the value of your vehicle. And maybe if the value of your vehicle was like 1 million and the repair cost is past $500,000, it means the vehicle will be declared write-off and you'll be paid a total loss. There are requirements that are required from you so that you can be paid that total loss. So you need to give car keys to the underwriter, spare wheel, a jack and wheel spanner. You also need to give your bank details and logbook so that when the company is dispersing that money, it will be sent direct to your bank account. And remember again, if you didn't take an excess cover, that money will be deducted from your total indemnity. So you will get some less indemnity from there. And that is why it is always wise, if you have an agent, your agent should be able to advise you to always take an excess fee cover. It will just add your normal premium a bit. So don't mind so much when you're paying much on your comprehensive premium. When you want to buy that salvage, the company will give you first priority to buy that salvage. And if you are able to succeed buying that salvage, you will be paid less amount. Let's assume if the value was 1 million and the money that you are supposed to buy a salvage is like 400,000. So the company will pay 600,000 to your account. And if you don't succeed to buy it, you'll just be sent the full value of your compensation to your account. Maybe somebody will ask a question. When do you qualify to apply a comprehensive claim from a company? Remember, there's some excess measure that is placed on this policy, and the claim that you are supposed to get should be above excess fee, and that is why that excess clause was placed in that policy. So it means you cannot just bring a claim which is below excess. Let's assume your vehicle just has a scratch that can be repaired with 4,000, let's say 4,000 or 5,000, and your vehicle, the value of your vehicle was 1 million and it's a private vehicle. So the excess of a private vehicle is 2.5 of the value, and in this case it's 25,000. So it will not make sense if you claim 5,000 from an underwriter and then you are required to pay 25,000. It means you will go at a loss of 20,000. So for such a case, the claims that are below excess, you should not even bother claiming. Just settle by yourself. And then if there is a claim which surpasses excess fee, let's say if your excess fee is 20k and you have a claim of 21,000, 25, like that. So those are the claim that they'll be genuinely in terms of finance that you can claim. And again, sometime when you are on the road and something happens, let's say two vehicles are involved in an accident, maybe yours and for the other person, and maybe it was just a scratch, maybe something that you can sort with around 2,000 to 5,000. I think instead of wasting a lot of time, maybe calling your agent, calling your insurance company, calling police to involve them, it will be much costly. Because if you go to police station, what normally happens, just settle with that person and see if you can square that thing there and make it an end. And that is why the excess is there, just to reduce the small claim, and also to make people be careful on the road, and also to make sure people don't get full indemnity. I know this video has given you full insight on how to launch a motor comprehensive claim, and you are now able to do it without any stress. But don't mind so much if you have an agent or an insurance intermediary will help you to go through that. So if you don't have, consider getting one. You can talk to us so that we can help you have good service from the insurance underwriters in Kenya. Till we meet again, be a good wealth protector of your wealth.